with kids.
Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Low Budget Chef, where we'll be learning how to make vegetable soup with the budget of $4, which is equivalent to 2,100 naira. We will get our fresh meat, wash it, add salt, curry, thyme and other spices, then allow it to cook. We will add onions as well. Then that's by the side. To start the soup, we will fry our onion, add fresh tomatoes, stir it very well, and then allow it to fry for some time. Yes, we're adding ginger and garlic, which is going to give it the right aroma we need. We'll stir, allow to fry. Then we'll add thyme, add other more spices. I love spice. I hope you do too. Yes, we are stirring the stew. Just before we add other ingredients, we are allowing it to cook. Yes, now it's time for us to add crayfish, stir, and then allow to cook for a minute before we add more ingredients. Yes, we are adding seasoning now. Yeah, this seasoning, and then we stir. Allow to cook for another 30 seconds. Then we'll add our pumpkin leaf, which is ugu. After pouring the right quantity, we stir and then allow to cook. Yeah, we are adding our fresh pepper, this is also known as chili, black pepper, anyone. Then we add salt to taste. Then we stir and add our meat stock, which is the very last step. The ingredients. Yes, I will stir, continue stirring for some time. Then I'll cover it to allow it to boil. And then I'm not cooking it for too long so that everything can be fresh and the ingredients will be and the nutrients will be intact. Yes, it has boiled. Can you see the color? This is so yummy. I wish you were here. Thank you so much for watching. Please watch, share, comment and subscribe. God